entrepreneur, you become, you join some good multinational, fly in, business class and all that. So don't go by that. I'm telling you this. Because, I worked for a Fortune 500 company called Bayer. You must be aware, it's a German company. I worked for their FMCG consumer care division. We used to sell Baygon and worked really hard. I was heading northern region. And suddenly, after 10 years, I grown from one ladder to other, but after 10 years, they decided to sell it off worldwide. So what was my fault? Although I got good money, golden handshake, but my career, it just in 10 years come to zero. And then, after that I joined this company called Zar Health. It was a pharmaceutical company, started working there. They were, likely to close it down for the reason it wasn't doing well. With whatever experience I had in Bayer, where, we had done some good work doing cash and carry, first time in the business, and a lot of other policies which we have changed. With that experience, I worked in Zar Health and made it profitable after, say, about 3 years. What now? Now this company, they again, planning to sell it off. But fortunately, I was thinking, what is this, again the same, history is repeating itself. I should not let it go like this. Fortunately, before I could offer, that I am there to, buy it, they offered me, I was the first person they offered it to me. They said, since you have grown it to this level only, and these products are very, they are research-based product. You all must have heard about ImmunoBoost. It's a multi-nutrient. So it's very, it was like, the promoter was a researcher himself. So he said, only you can take care of these products. I'm pretty sure. So that was my luck maybe, or whatever hard work I have done. So I just wanted to share over here that whatever you do with full integrity, because, women are famous for it. So I'm here to tell you, be very strong, because everybody will be with you if you are strong. Don't leave it, there. Just go on, go on, go on. And there are so many people who are ready to, finance you, to help you. I have done it on my own, although I have also taken some bank loan. But yes, you can do whatever, dream, because dream, I don't think they never expires. You can dream, if you fail, dream again, but keep dreaming. And I'm just here to empower all the women, just to tell you that everything is possible and you can do it. Thank you.